Welcome to Kurumicooks. You can find this recipe and more at my website kurumicooks.co.uk. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a Japanese beef curry using Java brand curry cubes. Here are the ingredients we will need. I'm using Java brand curry cubes. This packet is the hot version, but you can get medium and mild versions if you prefer. 850 grams of braising beef cut into big chunks. 300 grams of carrot peeled. 400 grams of potato peeled. 1 centimeter ginger peeled. 2 cloves of garlic. 1 onion peeled. 4 mushrooms. 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 100 ml red wine, and 6 cubes of Java curry roux. You will also need 500 ml of water. First, cut the potatoes into quarters, halve the mushrooms, and cut the carrots into chunks. Finally, chop the ginger and garlic, and do the same to the onion. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan and fry the ginger, garlic, and onion for 2 minutes. Add the rest of the oil and fry the beef until it's sealed. Once the beef is sealed, add the vegetables, stir well, then add the red wine, cook for another minute. Add 500 ml of water and 2 curry cubes. Bring to the boil and simmer for 90 minutes. When the time is up, add 4 more curry cubes and simmer for another 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. Serve with freshly steamed rice for a delicious main meal. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel here. See you again soon.